Another world's fastest magic trick for you. Here we go. I've got a card here with, I've got an envelope here with 6 cards in it, nothing else. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, what I want you to do is I want you to memorize one of these cards. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. Ready? Go. Memorize one. 1, 2, 3. Got it? All right, very good. Now I'm going to place these cards back in the envelope. See? Back in the envelope. All right, I'm going to put the envelope back there. Now, what I want you to do is visualize one of those cards. Whatever card you picked, I want you to visualize it getting smaller, 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 smaller until it's completely gone. Did you feel that? I felt it. Now hold on. Same envelope. On camera the whole time. Few cards in here, nothing else in it. Very good. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold on. Is yours gone?